The RSA5000 is a great instrument for testing phase-locked loops. With the instrument's 100% POI down to 7.45 microseconds, this instrument is able to determine the locking speed and if a PLL is operating properly. Currently, we are looking at a simple signal that is switching between two frequencies and passing through a PLL. We are able to see the PLL's locking and unlocking event occurs at the beginning and end of each frequency pulse. We are also able to expand the spectrogram view of the instrument, and with the markers we are able to take some measurements of the signal, including determine how much the signal is ringing before it locks onto the desired frequency. We are also able to determine the switching time it takes to change frequencies. Additionally, we can also use the markers to determine how long it takes the PLL to lock onto a signal. Since we are using a real-time spectrum analyzer, we are also able to view the PLL's locking event in the time domain by using the PVT viewing mode. The lower panel shows us the signal in the frequency domain, and then the upper panel we are able to see the signal in the time domain. And in this domain, we are able to determine the switching time between the two RF signals. By using a real-time spectrum analyzer to test PLLs, you are able to easily see the ringing of the lock event and then determine the time it takes the PLL to lock onto a signal.